This is York bus stops, and the train station is just over there. So I'll put that on for you as well. We don't mind. That's an old bus, is that there? York Railway clock. Sorry, back in a minute. I'm just doing a tour of York city centre. I'm nearly on my way home back to Leeds, so I'm going to go on the bus instead for a change. Alright. Yep. That's the place as it goes, that bus there, that yellow and red one, so we can have them. Don't forget your bus. No, I'm doing a tour of York City Centre, so you can see the train station over there as well on the other side. There's probably more buses from here than there is in Halifax and Huddersfield to go to different places, so we'll do a tour around here. That's the York Castle walk up there. There's that wall up there, if you look. Let's just have a look. I thought I'd get this bit for you because it's a nice sunny evening now, the rain has stopped. So you can have this as well. It's part of York. My heritage outing to York. Something different to the Minster. Is that yours? No, that one is not. No, that's something else. Right. It's not due yet until 20 past. It's just getting a bit dull and dusky at this time, so it's getting dark a little bit earlier. But it's now 7:10 on a Sunday evening. Alright? Yeah. That's enough now.